To evaluate such a number, so what do we begin with? If you look at it clearly, it is separation of variable. So we begin by separating variables. So with writing it, we shall have dy by dx equal to x into y minus 2. So we separate variables. We separate variables by dividing y minus 2 this side and also multiplying dx this side. So we divide y minus 2 on both sides. So we take the y where they are supposed to be and then multiplying dx the other side. So rewriting it, it gives us 1 out of y minus 2 dy is actually x dx. Now when we reach at that point, we go ahead to integrate. Now when we integrate on both sides, we shall have the integral of 1 out of y minus 2 dy is actually equal to x square out of 2 plus c. Now to deal with this, we use the letting knowledge, which is change of variable. So we come and say let, for example, u equal to y minus 2. Du dy is actually equal to 1. This means that our du is equal to dy. Now, when we put this back here, we shall have our integral of 1 out of u is now y minus 2 is now u. So we shall have u times dy is now du is equal to x square out of 2 plus c. Now if you clearly see this is a ln. So it's ln of u is equal to x square out of 2 plus c. So we can put back our u. So putting back our u, we shall have ln of y minus 2 is actually equal to x square out of 2 plus c. Now remember, they told us to evaluate, meaning we have to get the arbitrary constant c. So the constant of integration must be obtained. Therefore, we substitute in our condition. So we come and say y is 5 and then x is 0. So we shall have ln of 5 minus 2 is equal to 0 squared out of 2 plus c. So this becomes ln 3 is equal to 0 plus c. So this tells us that our c can be ln 3. Now we have ln 3 as our c. Now when we have it, we put it back. So we come and say our ln of y minus 2 will be equal to x square out of 2 plus ln 3. Plus ln 3. So I can take this ln this side. So when I take it that side, it will be ln of y minus 2 minus ln 3 is equal to x square out of 2. So it's always better to simplify it, where you can simplify. Now if you clearly see this, ln obeys laws of logarithm. So ln obeys laws of logarithm. So this is the same as ln of y minus 2 out of 3 is actually equal to x square out of 2. But remember, ln is a log. So we can first of all multiply through by 2. So we can have 2 ln of y minus 2 out of 3 equaling to x square. So we have multiplied the 2 this side. So when this 2 goes up, we shall have ln of y minus 2 out of 3 squared is equal to x square. Now we can simplify it this further to say that we can have y minus 2 out of 9. This squared is actually the exponential x squared. Why? Why? Because ln is log base e is the ln. So this means this is log base e, and then when we change it to in this form, we end up having this. Now we can simplify it further. If we can write this step here, this was the same as log base e of y minus 2 out of 3, everything square is equal to x squared. So this is what led to this. So we can finalize and say that therefore our y minus 2 square is the same as 9e of x square. As simple as this, you have simplified everything very well to evaluation of this. So when you evaluate this at these conditions, you end up having y minus 2 square bracket square is equal to 9 exponential x square. As simple as that. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, comment and share. Comment and share with your friends such that we understand together. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We meet in the next. Thank you.